Hi everyone, this is Paradi. Today we are here to discuss about FAQ plus app template functionality. I explained the steps in different video about how to deploy this FAQ plus app template into your tenant. So this video is to explain the functionality. So here in this application, there are two personas. One is user persona and another is experts persona. So from the user perspective, we actually deploy this FAQ plus application bot into users. So you can by default you can deploy to everyone using admin teams portal so that everyone will be able to see that app here, or if you as admin, if you pre-pin it, right, they can even see it in the left navigation. By default they can click on that. They will be, if they see the under left navigation, right, it will be easily accessible for users. So once you enable that, it will be accessible for users in 24 hours, within 24 hours, so that they can browse this particular FAQ plus bot within the teams, and they can ask some questions. So for example, here if I say how to access Azure portal, I am asking just some dummy question here. So this is the question actually which is already available in my knowledge base. So if the question is available already in knowledge base, it will show the answer. Whatever the answer you feed into knowledge base, that will be shown here. But if I say any different questions which is not available in knowledge base, then let me see how you will see the response. So I just asked some other question which is not available in uh, which is not available in this channel. But if I say how to submit iterated testimonies, it is some giving some answer like here is what I found. Hi, if you are satisfied with answer, you can share the feedback. But if you are not satisfied with answer because you the question is different and the answer is something different, right, so you are not satisfied here, so you can ask an expert here to get experts involved, human to involve in this question, right. So you can ask this question, so it will be populate with this card to ask title and description. So I'm just submitting the same like title and description. I'm just giving values here. Can you give URL? So I'm just giving a title as a how to submit title intents and some answer, a description of about it. So once I enter these values, I can click on ask an expert. So this question will actually post into experts team channel. So it will also show some card saying that what you asked, title and description, and when you created, and the status of the ticket also will be shown under in this card. So status is unassigned for now. So once you post this question, right, it actually posted into the Teams channel. So as expert could be in different expert is a different person, right? Whoever part of this Teams channel, then if you go to the general channel, they will be able to see the new card for this request. So user asked this question, and who is that person asked, and the description, and you will see some three buttons for these values for this particular ticket. So if you want to chart with the direct user, whoever submitted that question, right, you can directly click on it so that it will open the chart option within the teams. And if you want to change the status, you can change the status. In the same way, if you click on view article, you will see the article like what was the response for this question, what was the response user seen for this question. You can see that here. If there is no response, I think then view article button will not be shown. But here the answer was shown something, and the user is not satisfied with that. That's why you are able to see this view article button, and you will see that response. And by seeing that, you can expert as an expert, you can chart with user and close this question, or you can change the status. Like for example, if you click on change status, this drop down will be shown assign to me or close. Only these two actions will be available in this adaptive card. So if I select assign to me, it got stuck. And if I click on submit, right, so the ticket status will be changed as assign, and you will be able to see that history and this same ticket. This request is now assigned and assigned to Subbareddy tomorrow. So this is the person name, because of multiple, there could be multiple experts in this channel, right? So that everyone will be able to see this one, and they can reduce the duplicate work. And the same status will be displayed for the end user also. So the end user will see that a ticket is assigned to other some expert. So expert user end user will not able to see to whom the ticket was assigned, but instead of that it will just show status and again the details. So that card will be posted for the end user. And if you come back to expert, right? So here again. Once he's assigned, you can check with user, you can chart with user with the response. And after that, if you are planning to you chart with means you can provide the response only with the charting. There is no other option in this application. So that is the only option to close the ticket, to discuss with the user and close it. So once you provide the answer and want to close it, you can click on change status and click select the drop down. You can even change it to unassigned, assigned to me, close. So as it is assigned to me, as it was assigned to me, I'm just selecting close ticket and I submit it. So once it is done, again the status will be posted here. This request is now closed and closed by Subhareddy tomorrow. And the same response will be shown to the user also. The request has been closed, and these are the details: created date, closed date, and if you still need expert more details, you can click on ask an expert again. So this is the process for asking and getting answers from knowledge base, and submitting ticket to expert, and then getting the responses for that. This is one way. And in the same way, here you will have an option like multiple options. Take a tour. If you submit this take a tour command, right, it actually posts some this card with the what it can do. It will explain the steps. And in the same way, there is a ask an expert command. If you select this ask an expert command, it actually posts form to submit a title and description instead of searching in the KB and then asking an expert, right? Instead of that, you can directly ask an expert using this command, ask an expert. And that is the option for us. And you can also submit the share the feedback. This is the share feedback command. If you want to give the feedback, then this card will be posted. You can select this option, need improvement, not helpful, and description also, so that experts can get the feedback out of this application. Just share feedback, and then the feedback will actually post into the experts. The feedback was posted here. So and you will be able to chat with the user. So this is the overall process for the getting answers from knowledge base, and then asking an expert and experts persona what they can do, and then ticket closer and feedback. And there are some other functionalities available as part of this FAQ plus. So as experts, right, if you click on new conversation and if you go to these three dots, you will be able to see some messaging extensions here. So for example, this is the messaging extension which was installed for this particular Teams channel, FAQ plus experts team. So this will be shown with different tabs. Like for example, if you click on recent, the recent tickets will be shown here, and unassigned tickets will be shown here. You can get categorization of tickets here, and assigned tickets also you will be able to see here. So it's like a category values. And so for example, if you select that question, then the same ticket will be posted as a card here, and then compose box, and you can submit it. So that if you want to get highlighted this particular card, right, so that you can do that. So again, chat with user, go to original thread. If you click on it, right, it actually goes to the thread where actually the question was posted. So this is the one useful messaging extension for the experts wise in the category and the option. And in the knowledge base also, you can search within the knowledge base. Uh, as an expert, right? How users will get to know what type of answers are coming. You can, as an expert, you can check that. So for example, how to access, I'm asking some question. I'm just typing question. So you will see how that response. So this response is coming to going to user. So in this way, you can check the knowledge base how it is working. And there is another option. You can also add question and answers into knowledge base. So for example, after some point of time, you feel that some questions can be added to knowledge base so that people no need to reach out to experts and they don't need to spend time on that, right? So in that case, right, they can click on plus icon and click on add new question. So that one task module pop-up will open, and here you can enter the question description and subtitle, image URL, whatever the details you populate here, you can enter these values and save it into knowledge base, so that next time when the user asks the same similar type of question, right, they will be able to see this answer. So this is the preview, and you can save this knowledge base as well. How to access, how to submit IT returns. So if you want to answer, add some question, right? So these are the some predefined way you can add as a responses here, and preview. Click on it, preview, so that you will see the question and answer, and then you can save this question to your knowledge base. So this is the and you also see that details here, like you added some question into the knowledge base. That history you will save it here, and whenever you want to access this particular messaging extensions, you will be able to check the details and search for that questions. And you can also, if you have multiple questions, right, tickets, you can even search for that questions from here instead of scrolling up and down in the channel. If you want to search and see something here, you can search and see it in your channel. So this is the overall process of overall functionality of FAQ plus application template. If you need any further features which is not there in app template, that need to be more customized based on the GitHub code, and use it for your organization. Yeah, that's it about the functionality. Thank you. Thanks for watching it. If you have any further questions, post me on video comments so that I will try to create separate video for that.